Hey friends, if you wish to show or hide the navigation pane in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Now, the navigation pane is hidden by default. So here's what you can do. Click on View and then you will find this option for navigation pane somewhere here. Okay, here it is in the show option. So here's the navigation pane and it will help you navigate quickly to any page of your choice. Let's say we had multiple pages, okay? Let us say we had this thing. We had a second page. So all I needed to do is go to the first page, go to the second page. I can navigate to any result. I can navigate to any heading. Okay. And I can navigate to any word as well. Okay. So see, I'm just typing it and it's leading me to the navigation pane word, the first one. So the navigation pane is an interesting option and to hide it, simply close it. Okay. That's how you can do it. Check it here. It is available. If you uncheck it, it's gone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.